Hello, my name is Babatunde, as you see, Tunde Digital Pro. Today, I decided I want to share a little bit of my technical knowledge with you. I'll teach you how to copy and paste a clip that you will be able to store those words that you copy for days, and you can always go back to reuse them. It is software called Copy Clip, so it's available for everyone, Mac users and Windows users. Anyone can download it. So how to get started? As you can see, I already have it installed and it's downloading. Configure it. Click on preference. Remember 100 clips. Display 100 clips. And you can do everything you want. So yeah, start at should record clips. It's as simple as this, and let's do it. We have it here.